We are the school station. Greenville County Schools giving an important COVID-19 update at a special district meeting tonight. Superintendent Dr. Burke Royster explained they haven't made any decisions about COVID protocols for next school year, but there is a chance changes could be on the horizon.
And of course, we sent our own Matt Kaufax to get some answers from the Greenville County School District, and he is live tonight with those details. Hey, Matt.
Hey, Cody, Tori. Yeah, there's a lot of information in this meeting tonight, and new information actually that the district got from the state today basically says, and this is directly from Superintendent Spearman's office, that if there's wider vaccine availability for children of school age in the coming academic year, some of the requirements, restrictions on social distancing, and those masks we've seen all these students who have returned in person here wearing could be lessened, and potentially by a lot. But as we learned in the district meeting today, there's still a lot to figure out in that department, with COVID cases in Greenville County still relatively high, and the availability for a vaccine for children potentially still a long ways away. Greenville Superintendent Dr. Burke Royster says the county has seen an increase in COVID-19 incidences these past 2 weeks.
We are trending in the right direction, but not as rapidly as the county or the state.
He says current policies and restrictions will remain in effect for now.
Mask and distancing remain key recommendations of public health authorities and medical experts, including CDC, DHEC.
But a memo from the State Department of Education, which says they anticipate COVID vaccines being available for school-age children next academic year, could see mask and distancing requirements become recommendations, according to the superintendent's communications director.
Hopefully they know something there that we're not yet aware of, because at this time, based on the research we've done and the information we have available, there is no vaccine currently approved in the United States for children ages 0 to 15.
Pfizer says they could have a vaccine ready for kids towards the end of 2021, Moderna 2022 or 2023. This makes parents like Lisa McDonald nervous.
If the school district decides to take away all of these safety precautions, we're setting our kids up to be infected, and I don't think it's fair.
The district has already removed plexiglass in thousands of classrooms as restrictions have been somewhat lifted, but Lisa's son Ramsey says he would still be nervous going into his senior year if too much got lifted too soon.
Like knowing that it's still out there, so like it'll just be just odd, and like I'll probably just like be just more like cautious.
So knowing what we know from Pfizer and Moderna, the superintendent here, Dr. Royster, says that he's actually going to clarify in the coming days with the state superintendent and the State Department of Education because, you know, they are unsure where they're getting this idea that there's going to be more children vaccinated potentially right as the next school year comes up. So they plan to do some digging to inform their future decisions because there was a little bit of confusion about that tonight. We're going to keep you updated as we move forward with this. In Greenville, Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.